Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Porsche 992 versus 911. We will explore the key distinctions that set the 992 generation apart from its predecessors. Understanding these differences will help you appreciate the evolution of this legendary sports car. We'll cover design, performance, and technology to give you a comprehensive overview. Let's dive into what makes each iteration special. The 992 generation introduces notable design changes, giving it a more contemporary and aggressive look. Its wider body and larger wheel arches contribute to a powerful presence on the road. Inside, you'll find a blend of classic Porsche elements with advanced digital interfaces. This evolution maintains the iconic 911 silhouette while incorporating modern aesthetics and improved ergonomics for the driver and passenger. Performance-wise, the 992 boasts more powerful engines, delivering exhilarating acceleration and improved top speeds. It also integrates cutting-edge technology, including sophisticated suspension systems and enhanced braking capabilities. These advancements contribute to a more refined and engaging driving experience. From its responsive handling to its intuitive controls, the 992 truly elevates the performance benchmark for the 911 series. When considering the driving experience, the 992 offers a blend of modern comfort and exhilarating performance, making it suitable for both daily commutes and spirited drives. Earlier 911 models often provide a more direct, unfiltered connection to the road, appealing to purists. Ultimately, the better choice depends on your personal preferences and priorities. Be sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.